The state of Alabama has issued a child abduction emergency Amber Alert. The Enterprise Alabama Police Department and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency asks for your assistance in locating Eddy Aracely Tzi Coc, Hispanic female, 12 years of age with black hair and brown eyes. Eddy Aracely Tzi Coc was last seen on February 3, 2022 at approximately 11:45 a.m. wearing a black shirt and blue jeans and is believed to be in extreme danger. Eddy Coc was possibly abducted by an unknown Hispanic male who possibly goes by the name Alvaro Cucul, believed to be in his early 20s. The subjects may be traveling in a 2017 black GMC Acadia with an unknown tag number. If you have any information regarding this missing child, please contact the Enterprise Police Department at 334-347-2222 or call 911.